and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to develop thesis statement. Make sure to watch this video until the end, as I will provide an example with an explanation how to write a strong thesis for your nursing paper. Often students come asking me, Ina, what is the proper way to get my thesis for my paper right? Students also tell me that their teacher commented on their thesis and it's not good enough. Well, let me tell you something, that writing a perfect thesis doesn't have to be hard. All you have to do is follow this step-by-step guide about what I'm going to teach you about thesis. If you listen carefully, you should score a good mark in your next assignment. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. So thesis should communicate to your reader. The question is, what should it communicate? So thesis should tell your reader about main point or idea of your paper. A powerful thesis will clearly be distinguishable within the paper, and this will allow to be narrowed, purposeful, and specific. But the question is, what is thesis? Here are a few criteria for thesis. So it is made out of a single sentence. So don't write more than one sentence to create your thesis. It's not going to be good. The focus is on a central idea, and what that means is that the topic which you selected will be emphasized in your thesis. Now, thesis can be debatable. And what that means is that you can argue your thesis statement, either the pro or against side. Thesis statement provides a scope and a direction of the paper. And this indicates in a nutshell what the paper is really about. Therefore, it should be very, very specific, which is a way to illustrate those who read it the organization of your paper. Where it is okay, where the reader can say. What that means, the reader will look at your thesis and say, I get it. I get where the paper is going and what should happen within the paper. Remember one thing, and it is very important. Thesis is not a question. Often students implement thesis as a question, and this is incorrect. Remember that thesis statement has to be disputable, where the writer must provide significant amount of information using reasoning and evidence. It is significant to understand what reasoning and evidence consists of, as there's a large amount of information about that as well, which will be provided in the next video. The key component of this video is understanding how to write the thesis statement. Again, remember that a question, on the other hand, cannot state anything. Only yes or no, really, which will have no further examination to prove your point, and that is not what you're trying to achieve when you are developing good thesis. So let's look at the example here. So it reads as this. This assignment aims to develop a fall prevention educational program intervention with the use of theory of planned behavior to assist with behavioral change among healthcare providers. Now, this example has the following criteria that were discussed above. It's made out of a single sentence. It focuses on a central idea. It is debatable. And it provides a scope and direction for the paper. And it will utilize the evidence to provide the strength of the argument. Now, you can also use the words such as the purpose of this paper. It doesn't have to be the aim of this paper. This is really a personal preference, and whichever fits best for your thesis statement. Make sure that your thesis correlates with your information in the introduction, throughout the paper, and conclusion paragraph. If you want how to learn to write an introduction and conclusion paragraphs, make sure to click on those videos above. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss these important videos. I hope you ace that paper next time, and good luck to all my future nurses.